So, it is Saturday, July 30th, 2022. It's 5:07 p.m. Wow, actually none of these are running. That's crazy. I mean, it's Saturday. What can you expect? None of these are going to be running. Maybe I have to come here on a weekday. So, yeah. None of these are running, unfortunately, but we're back in Old Town today, and we're going to see if more units are running. But they haven't been here in 3 months. Here's this train. Hopefully it doesn't turn on and scare me. Okay, I'm going to start with the ones that are running first. Oh! Holy crap, that scared me. Jeez. Yeah, this fan is powerful. It's Daikin inverter. And here's a Daikin VRV over here. A locust just fell down from over there. It scared the crap out of me. These fans are powerful. These two things are in R410i. This is a VRV 3S. Serial number's blocked out. I can't get the here. Got this little Rheem right here. Oh, it's actually Ruud. Never mind. It's Ruud Achiever. 2016, 2.5 ton. Open room. Nice. Oh, I think this one is this little Fujitsu. Oh, this one's turning on. Here are the 3 Trane XBs right here. None of them, I don't think any of them are going to turn on. This is data air, which just has no data on it for weird reason. 2015 5 ton. I know these are all 2000. This one's a 2014 5 ton. 2015 5 ton. This was on a low gamma kit. This one has a Lennox scroll compressor. This one's a 5 ton from 2015. Scroll compressor. So yeah, this one was on a low ambient kit, and this one wasn't running. Oh, that one just turned off. Really hope I don't get. Yeah, none of these running. That one's running. Oh, is this thing running? This is Mitsubishi. This Fujitsu. This Fujitsu is running. That one's running. That one just shut off. These mini splits right here. See how cold that line is. It's very cold. Alright, well. These 3 Trane XBs not running because it's a Saturday. I'll come here on a Thursday or Friday and see if more of these are running. Alright, well, let's keep it moving. Let's keep it moving. No, none of them are running, unfortunately. Actually, I'm gonna get a chance to take a screen. I'm gonna get a chance for me to take a screenshot of these things. This is where the locust scared me. Oh, this one just turned off. That one just turned off. Yeah, this one's turning off. Yeah, Fujitsu is the only one running now. This one's off. This thing is buzzing. Little Rheem. 3 Trane XBs. Go behind here and get the little Fujitsu. This giant Mitsubishi right here. And this data air here. And then the 3 Trane XBs. Actually, is that a... Get a screenshot of that. I'll get a screenshot from up here too. Alright, well. Let's get going. These ones are running. One does not sound good. Fujitsu's running. Actually, no, it's not. These two are running. All of these are running, actually. That's cold. This must have just turned on. 2019 3.5 ton. Here's this other one. This one's probably 2018. Oh, this one has an Orange Alliance scroll. This one's Orange Alliance scroll compressor. 2018 4 ton, actually. No, 3.5 ton. These are just straight cool air conditioners. This one's running. The fans, these two fans are spinning at the exact same speed. It says 16 5 ton. Straight cool unit. It's cold. I forgot to fill on this one. Because it's cold. Yeah, it's a little bit sweaty. That looks real safe. And here's the orange tunnel. Up. Dang, these dang trees are hurting. Copeland Emerson scroll. This one's rattling really bad. Up. Mitsubishi's running as well. Mitsubishi Mr. Slim double stack. 2016 3 ton. That's cold. Didn't motor. Oh hey, I can stop the rattle. Listen. Yep. 4 running. Just like 2017. Except those two got replaced. Keep going. That one's running. Down here, a chain. That one's running with a bucket.
They shouldn't have a bucket on there. Why do they have that?
I'm going to take that off.
Yeah, help them out. Well, maybe...
It's not good for the airflow.
Let's put the bucket down here.
Yeah. That's going to block the airflow of this refrigerator component. Oh, wow.
My gas is about to fall.
Set it on top of that refrigerator.
I don't want to make too big of a goddamn. Whatever. It's better than working.
I can't get to the data on that Trane XR right there. It's a refrigerator component right there.
We're like the AC unit superheroes. We're here to save the day.
Yeah, that bucket was not good for airflow.
Band buddies to the rescue. We're an elite squad.
Alright. Here's this Rheem Classic running. I was running on a cool ambient kit back in November. Or actually December. Gentech motor. It's cold. 2019 4 ton. Oh wait, it's actually a straight coil unit. I don't even know how it was even running. I don't even know why why they would have an air conditioner running in the wintertime, and of course it was on an ambient kit. Rheem logo, I don't necessarily know where that is. It's not anywhere. That's probably where the logo was. Screenshot. It's Copeland Emerson scroll. Oh, this Rheem. Get a chance to take a screenshot. Over here.
What?
It's a Lennox unit. There's a Lennox unit running Lennox Value Series. Does not sound good. Dang, this thing's in front of the data. Assuming it's probably from 2006 or something. It's a 2000s Lennox Value Series unit. So, get a chance to take a screenshot. And here we have two very interesting installs for an Ameristar and a little baby American Standard. Right here. That is a really weird install. It's in the ground, actually. This is an Ameristar. Oh wait, no, this is not an Ameristar. This is an Airtemp. As you can see down there, it's an Airtemp. It's an American Standard. Probably Heritage 11. Some units right here are running as a Rheem Value Series. This thing's running. Oh, and this giant American Standard package unit is running. Holy crap. Everything's running today. Oh, this is a Trane package unit. Ship date is gone. Where's the manufacture date? I don't know. This looks new. Oh, this is brand new. This is brand new. I think. Where's the manufacture date? Manufacture date. I don't know, but I think that's brand new. This thing's brand new. I like the little fins on there. It's crazy. Yeah, it's brand new, and it's a 7.5 ton. Here's an American Standard Silver Series that I caught running in HEMA one time. Oh, this. Is this one running? I caught running in heat mode one time on January 8th. Got a light scroll. Oh, this one just turned on. This one just turned on. It's cold. Oh, what the heck is that? 2017 3.5 ton. Wow, that Rheem packet, that Rheem commercial unit does not sound good. American Standard that just started and turned on. Let's go compressor. It's cold already. That's real safe. Get the sear off this thing. I like the pink caps on that one. The date off this 2010 3 ton. See all this condensation down here. Look at that. It's crazy. Yep, American Standards. Got some condensation down there. Rheem commercial series. Not sure where the data is. Oh, it's right here. Data is right here. Not sure. This is tell me when it's manufactured. I don't know. Unit's running. And a brand new Trane package unit. This one's also running. This must have been in 2009. It's 2009. It's a 7.5 ton. 2009. Condensation down there. Rheem commercial series. And over here, some refrigerator components. This one's got a reset, Copeland reset, and this one's got a scroll, Copeland Emerson scroll. There's an American Standard package unit. Looks sort of new. American Standard package unit. You get giant, fresh, nice-looking American Standard logo. Oh, wow, there's a lot of water back here. Dang. Package unit.
What's to do with those lines? What's it?
That's gas. That's for the furnace. So condensation a little bit down there. And here's whoa, why is there a piece of wood on top of it?
How heavy is that?
That's very heavy.
Trying to balance it?
I don't know. I don't know why they put a piece of wood on it.
Everybody's to the rest of it.
There's a Copeland scroll. I caught this running in heat mode one time on January 8th. 2016 5 ton. That's cold and sweaty. This is a, I think, Rheem. This is a Ruud Achiever. Oh, just shut off. Ruud Achiever 10 air conditioner. That's line's all cold. 1998 5 ton. Never actually got the that's 2018. It's a 90,000 DT, 7.5 ton. And I'm gonna get a picture of this one. We got some units over here running. Some stuff running there. Kind of low American. Oh, this is brand new, I think. Brand new. Yep, brand new, 2022. 2.5 ton. American Standard. Ameristar. That's kind of crazy. And here's an American Standard Silver Series. Alright, let's go. Oh wait, that's a train? That's a train compressor. Tell me what the stuff says. I don't want to get started. Over here, this giant 2010 American Standard package unit is running. I already filmed it running. This must be from 2010. It's a 4 ton. You guys just open the scroll. 2013 4 ton. Yep. I'm gonna get a picture of this brand new American Standard. It's a 14 series. Oh, that's a bit of a nice straight core unit. Yep. I like that breeze, it feels nice. That one's a 14 series. I'm gonna take a picture of this one. And here's an American Standard unit over here. It's not running, unfortunately, right now. I got some units right here. Oh, this one just turned off. A couple of these units are running. I caught this one starting up in March. Light scroll compressor. 2011 3.5 ton. This is a huge 3.5 ton. That line's all sweaty. It's probably very cold. These Odysseys might scare me. This one I actually just turned off. What's the data? 2011. 10-ton. These Trane XPs are probably all from 2011. So now there's a light scroll. I can tell just by the sound. 2011 5-ton. I'm gonna get in here. Yep, 2011 5-ton and 2011 4-ton. These are 3 from 2011. I don't want to get scared by this Odyssey right here. Alright, yep. Several units. Running in cool mode. Get a picture of that. Some Mitsubishi's. Oh! That one just shut off. Ruud Achiever. This is probably from 1999. Oh, mirror start back here. I'm gonna go behind here so I don't get scared by one of these units. Man, these bushes have grown so much. These are gonna give me so many ouches. So, just turned off. There's a line scroll compressor on the 17 4-ton. It's a nice unit. I got this thing running in cool mode back in April. That's cold. Is this mirror stripping right? No, it hasn't. Oh, this one's making some interesting sounds. Sure. This one's from 2014 2-ton. This is a 2003 1.5-ton Trane XP13 heat pump, which I think just shut off. Hopefully this mirror star does not scare the crap out of me. This one.
I know this one's a heat pump.
Yeah, I know this one's 2001 2-ton with 25,000 BTUs. That's interesting. It's a little mirror star that has a cool button scroll. Ugh, dang. I need to trim these bushes. These are really giving me ouchies. Oops. I'm gonna go over there and catch some of those running real quick. These units. And over here. This one's running again. This one's 2007 5-ton. Cold and sweaty. This is the new Heil right here. This is a 2021 3.5-ton. August 2021. It's probably installed September 2021. 2 units right here. Yep. Oh, hey, this carrier's brand new. The silencer system got replaced with a brand new carrier and it's running. As a Copeland Emerson scroll, and it's a heat pump. And wow, that is a low reversing valve. Brand new, 2022, 1.5-ton. It's manufactured May of 2022. That's cold. Several brand new units. Wow, these units are getting overgrown. 2017 2-ton. I caught this one starting up in heat mode last winter. Whoa. What the heck was that?
It's brakes.
That's cold and sweaty. It's working great. Alright, scroll. Yep, brand new carrier. Big clearance. Alright, I'm gonna take a picture of one of these. Let's go over here. Sounds pretty bad. These are a reversing valve right there. Gentech motor. It's had the couple numbers from scroll. 2019 5-ton. Dang thing. It's cold. Must have just turned on. This one never seems to be running. Go up on the scroll. 2016 5-ton. Cold and sweaty. And here's a brand new carrier. Here's a brand new carrier. Or wait, no. Wait, it's a Heil. What? This thing looks like a carrier, but it's a Heil. Got an LG scroll. This thing replaced the Goodman. This thing is brand new. Yep, brand new, 2022. Wow, these are a lot of brand new units. Not expect that many brand new units. It's reversing. These are not heat pumps. These are probably like from 2001 or 2000.
These ones are gonna get replaced soon.
Yeah. I can't get the data off of them because I don't know how to decode it. Well, brand new Heil. Not sure why it got. I'm gonna. All right, let's get going. Did the Heil turn on? No, it didn't. Oh, this one. This one just turned on. Did these turn on? No. Let's go over to these units. Transmitting. This is running. Oh, just that one's running. This little Rheem, 2012 2-ton. It's cold. That one startled me twice in heat mode. Uh, 2013 2-ton. Yep. I got this thing running in cool mode back in April. It's a heat pump, and I also caught it defrosting back in December. Or American standards. This little thing. Yep. Open Emerson scroll. 2021 3.5-ton. A 14 to 16 series, so it's probably a 15 series. Gentech motor. This thing's shaky, holy crap. It's a heat pump. I wish this Trane XR were running, but unfortunately it's not, but it can still make it. Probably 2017. 2.5-ton. Yep, running in cool mode. Several various units running in cool mode. This is American standards down there. Gibson's running. Sounds terrible. Holy crap, that's all. Open Emerson scroll, there's a reversing valve. 2004 5-ton. That's cold and sweaty. That thing sounds terrible. These ones are running. This one's running. Next standard here, just Allegiance 13. It's only the slightest bit cold. Little Ruud shooter. How about what this says? American standard. Alright. Oh, this one's running. This is NuTone's. This Nordyne right here. This is a NuTone. 2008 4-ton. It's cold. Oh wait, that's sort of cold. I don't know. This one's not running. That's a cold one's cold. These are straight cold units. Just regular air conditioners. Yep. Alright, we're gonna head on to those last American Standards, and then
Which one?
those ones are the last ones down there. Oh dang, these aren't running. Alright, this is the last one. That's a Bristol 2007 2.5 ton. That's all cold and sweaty. Doesn't sound as bad as it usually does. It has a GE motor right there, and it's a heat pump. And you can see the capacitor down there too. So yeah, Rheem Value Series. Alright. This has childhood memories. Ever since 2017. First went here in 2017. Well, guys, thank you for watching. Over and out. We got a lot more units running in cool mode. So yeah, thank you for watching. Over and out.